In my last video, we built a Discord bot, but we didn't add any functionality. So in this video, we're going to turn it into a leveling bot, just like Arcane. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you already have a bot created. If you don't, there's a quick tutorial in the description. Go watch that first, then come back here. Alright, once you have your bot ready, go to the left menu, scroll down, and click on Leveling. Enable it, and now let's set everything up step by step. First, let's start with the general settings. Turn on Send Messages on Level Up, and set it to Current Channel. You can leave the message as default for now. Next, go to the XP settings. Change the cooldown to 5 seconds. 15 seconds is a bit too long and slows down leveling. Now comes one of the most important parts, role rewards. Before we set anything here, we need to create roles in our Discord server. To do that, go to your server settings. Then click on Roles. Click Create Role. Choose a name. Set a color, and if you want, customize permissions. And that's it, your role is ready. And then add more roles. Once you've created your roles, go back to BotGhost and click on Add Role Reward. Set the level requirement. I'll keep it at level 1. Then select the role you want to give. You can add more roles for higher levels if you want. Now let's add a boost. Go to XP Booster. Set the percentage. I'll use 10%. Then select the role that will get the XP boost. And finally, let's create a basic command. Click on Add Command, then choose Send or Edit a Message. Connect it to a slash command. Then click on the slash command block and set the trigger. This is what users will type, and add a description. After that, go to the message block, open the message builder, and design your response however you like. Once you're done, save everything, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If this helps you, make sure to subscribe and check out my other tutorials.